image are we looking at here? Gastro. What's this outside layer? Ectoderm. This layer here? Endoderm. This layer here? Mesoderm, is that what you said? Mesoderm is right. So mesoderm is right here, and this little pouch is called what? Yeah, coelomic vesicle or coelomic pouch. This space here? Archenteron. Ancient gut. The opening here? I know you know that. Blastopore. Right. And then this space here? Blastocele. Okay. What tissue are we looking at here? The simple squamous epithelium, a surface view. So, like paving stones or fried eggs all squished together. So you recognize that. How about this? Skeletal muscle or striated muscle, either way. And the parts you need to know are these things, which are nucleus and these little lines. Striations. Okay. What's this tissue? Pseudostratified epithelium, right? And what are these things at the top? Cilia. And then this mucus-filled area? Goblet cell. Goblet cell. All right, what would you find right along here? Basement membrane. What tissue? Hyaline cartilage. What's this pink stuff called? Matrix. What are the cells called? Chondrocytes. And the space the cell occupies? Lacuna. Other thing is perichondrium. That's the stuff over here. Just a layer of stuff around the cartilage. Amphibian blood. Amphibian blood. Okay. Frog blood, amphibia blood, amphibian blood. And what kind of cells are these? Red blood cells or white blood cells? Red. Red. And the official term for red blood cells is? Erythrocytes. And so that makes these purple ones leukocytes or white blood cells. What tissue is this? Adipose, yeah. Fat tissue, adipose. So what's this clear area? What's that? Fat vacuole. What are the black dots? The nucleus. What are the lines? Membranes inside of blood. What's this? Neuron. And if the impulse moves this way, what's this fiber called? Axon. Axon. And if it moves this way, then it's called a dendrite. This is frog skin, so this is one I had a demonstration back there. So again, simple squamous epithelium, viewed from a perspective where you can actually see it. What kind of blood? Human, probably mammalian at least. The little Cheerios are called what? Red blood cells are erythrocytes, and these guys are then lymphocytes. What's this part right here? Plasma. So that's the matrix of the blood. What's this tissue? Simple columnar epithelium. Okay. And again, you've got goblet cells. You've got a basement membrane. But other than that, that's about all there is to know on this one. What's this? Areolar connective tissue or loose connective tissue. And what are the black spots? Fibroblasts. And then the fibers, what are these dark fibers? Plastic fibers. And then in the background we've got matrix and collagen fibers that you can't really differentiate. What tissue is this? Types of tissue, what type of? It's got a free edge here, right? So that means it's got to be epithelial tissue. Is it simple or stratified? Stratified, right? Multiple layers. And does it look, surface cells, do they look flat, square, or? No, these guys are totally flat up here. You're right, they're cuboidal down here, but as they move up, they get flatter and flatter. So it's simple squamous epithelium. But this is the epidermis of the skin, outer layer of the skin. This is the dermis underneath it. So the base of the membrane would be right along here. So stratified squamous epithelium. What's this? Bone. Okay. And what's this big hole called? A virgin canal or Oscan canal or central canal. What are these black spots? That's an ambiguous question. Okay, what is the space? If this black spot is a space, what is it called? Well, the cell is called an osteocyte, but if it's a space, it's called a lacuna. Okay, so the same thing with, so on a quiz, if I point to this and say name the space, you say lacuna, name the cell osteocyte. You see these little layers here? And the thing? What are those layers called? Lamella. And then on each of the lacuna, you can see little lines kind of blurrily coming out. One of the spiders that somebody stepped on, one of those little lines in there. Canaliculi. And the white stuff is matrix. Yep. What kind of muscle tissue is that? These little dashed lines.
Cardiac.
Cardiac muscle. What are those little dashed lines called? Circulated discs. Smooth muscle. Okay, what's this? An egg cell. You can see the nucleus and the nucleolus clearly. And what's this over here? That's the blastula, right? So what's this space in here? Blastocele. Okay, so here we got a bunch of stages. What's this one? 4 cell. How about like this one or this one? What do you call the embryo where you've got too many cells to count, but it's still solid? Morula. So you got an unfertilized egg. What's this one? Or this one? Those are fertilized eggs. You can't really see the fertilization membrane most, but you can kind of see it on this one. Blastula there. Third blastula there. This one, you don't need to worry about that one. Morula. I think that's it. I think we're doing